Hi guys, my name is Aslam. Came back with a new video for technical related. Before that, please subscribe my channel for more updates and press the bell icon. Today I'm going to show how to switch the data to other SIM. If you're using both the SIM as 4G network, it's difficult to enter in the setting to switch the data every time. However, there is an option to switch the data from the notification bar. I will show how to do. The device which I'm using, it's a Xiaomi Poco F1. Let's begin. Just you need to drag the notification bar. Here you can see the data is selected for Jio SIM. I'm having other SIM as Tata Docomo. I will show how to switch the data to Tata Docomo. Here you can see downwards arrow. Just you need to click on this arrow. Once you click on this, the SIM will get reflect. Just you need to tap which SIM data you require. Well, I'm selecting second SIM as Docomo. Now it's selected for Geo. I'm selecting for Docomo. This is our network getting changed here. Well, you can see the network is getting fluctuated. I'll make it done. Think there is a network issue. I'll try once again. You can see the data is switched for another SIM, Tata Docomo. Also, you can see you can change Wi-Fi here. If you're using a Wi-Fi, you can select the network. See here already the Wi-Fi is selected. However, if you're using any other network, no need to enter in the setting. Here only you'll be having the option to change the network and the Bluetooth as well. You can pair the devices over here. Bluetooth, just you need to turn on the Bluetooth, and then you can see the paired device over here. You can switch the devices here, sir. So this is about the video. I think the video is helpful. Kindly share this video and do like and subscribe and comment. Thank you.